Welcome to OJ's News Channel.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Reliance launches JioMart online grocery service, challenging Amazon, Flipkart. JioMart will deliver groceries in more than 200 towns across the country. Reliance Industries Limited has launched an online grocery service. JioMart, the head of its grocery retail business, said, in a move aimed at rivaling Amazon.com's local unit and Walmart Incorporated's Flipkart in the huge Indian market. JioMart will deliver groceries in more than 200 towns across the country. Damodar Mall, chief executive of grocery retail at the Indian conglomerate, said on Twitter late on Saturday. Mumbai-headquartered Reliance has not announced JioMart's launch at a time it is selling $7 billion in new shares. Reliance launched a small pilot of JioMart deliveries in select areas of the Indian financial capital Mumbai late last month, days after announcing that Facebook Incorporated would spend $5.7 billion for 9.99% stake in the company's digital unit, Jio Platforms. That partnership will help Reliance roll out service for India's grocers and small businesses by capitalizing on India's 40 crore strong user base for Facebook's WhatsApp messaging service. JioMart, the e-commerce venture of Reliance's retail arm, offers free express grocery delivery from neighborhood mom-and-pop stores. It will pose a formidable challenge to local rivals, which are also betting big on groceries for their growth. The launch comes as India is witnessing a surge in coronavirus cases. A person familiar with the matter told Reuters the product catalogue on JioMart's website will be expanded after lockdown restrictions aimed to curb the spread of the new coronavirus are eased. Never waste a crisis, they say, Mall said in his tweet. A wise colleague mentioned today, Alibaba also flourished starting from the SARS crisis. The oil-to-telecoms giant, controlled by India's richest man, Mukesh Ambani, did not immediately respond to an email seeking comment on the launch. Reliance is on a fundraising spree with Jio Platforms, which houses telecoms ventures Jio Infocomm, winning a massive $10 billion from investors including Facebook, KKR and Company Incorporated and General Atlantic in a month. JioMart registration online offers and how to pre-register and get 3,000 rupees benefits. Reliance Industries Limited (RIL) has finally entered the e-commerce market with the launch of JioMart. The JioMart app and website will have groceries and many other household items for customers to buy, and it will be delivered to the doorstep without any extra charges. Reliance JioMart is currently available in Navi Mumbai, Thane and Kalyan area, but soon it will start service in other parts of the country. The company is targeted to connect 3 crores offline retailers with over 20 crores customers in India. Here is everything about the Reliance e-commerce venture JioMart. How to place an order on JioMart WhatsApp. Users from Navi Mumbai, Thane and Kalyan region can place an order on the JioMart through WhatsApp. Save the JioMart number 885 crore 8000 and send a hi on WhatsApp. JioMart will send a link which is valid for only 30 minutes. The customer has to click on the link to fill all the details like address, name and phone number. Select the items available from the JioMart product catalog. Place the order. The customer will get the address of nearest JioMart store to pick up the items. Reliance JioMart overview. The Reliance JioMart is an online grocery delivery service owned and managed by Reliance Jio. The app will be soon available for customers to buy groceries and other household essentials. As per the reports, the JioMart app will connect the offline retailer to online customers, which means it does not sell products directly to the customers. The JioMart works on online to offline O2O business model, which means the customers can buy the products directly through the app from nearby sellers. It's a commerce platform that will provide packaged consumer goods and kitchen supplies. This is a great platform for all the offline sellers to list their products on the JioMart and connect with a wide range of online customers. JioMart pre-registration. There is an option for consumers to pre-register for the JioMart launch and save 3,000 rupees. You can pre-register for JioMart by following below given steps. Go to https://www.jio.com/jmart, scroll down and fill all the required details. Enter the mobile number and the OTP to verify. You will receive a confirmation message. You can now save up to 3,000 rupees at launch. Benefits of JioMart: 50,000 plus grocery products, free home delivery, no minimum order value, 3,000 savings, no question asked, return policy, express delivery by online or offline.